Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to log into your PayPal account securely on your mobile device. Whether you are using Android or iOS, this guide will help you through easily. First of all, download and open the official PayPal app on your smartphone. Once you do that, you will be welcomed with this interface. Go ahead and make sure that you're inside the login screen and then type down your email address or phone number associated with your PayPal account. After typing down your email, you'll need to type in your password. Make sure you type in your correct password in the password box. After typing down your credentials in the respective text boxes, you can tap on Login in order to log into your account. But if you don't remember the password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process. After having your credentials correct and clicking on Login, you will be able to sign in to your PayPal account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing PayPal account using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.